This is an unusual area of ivy domination at Spears Old Screw Grounds near Beith in North Ayrshire. When this was a school, this area here was known as the Ivy Palace. So for some reason, ivy has dominated this patch of ground for maybe anything up to 100 years. It's commonly believed that ivy is very bad for trees, but in fact this is not the case. They do have adventitious roots that hold on to the bark, but they don't actually penetrate into the wood. Ivy can form good cover for animals like toads on the ground, for small birds, also for voles and mice. The flowers are amongst the last to come into flower, so the pollen is a good source for insects that fly late in the season.